In a small village surrounded by green fields lived a boy named Arjun. He was not the smartest student in his class, and he was not the fastest runner either. But Arjun had one special quality. He never gave up. Every morning, Arjun walked 5 kilometers to school. His shoes were old, and his school bag was torn. Many students laughed at him because he often failed in math tests. Sometimes, even his teachers doubted him. But deep inside, Arjun had a dream. He wanted to become an engineer and build bridges in his village so people could travel safely during the rainy season. One day, after failing an important exam, Arjun felt completely broken. His mother came and sat beside him. She gently placed her hand on his shoulder and said, "Son, success does not come to those who are perfect. It comes to those who refuse to stop trying." Those words changed something inside him. From that day, Arjun started waking up an hour earlier. He practiced math every day. He asked questions in class, even when others laughed. He failed again and again, but each time he stood up stronger. Years passed. One day, the same boy who once failed math stood on a big stage, receiving a gold medal for being the top engineering student at his university. The crowd applauded loudly. His teachers were proud. His classmates were shocked. But Arjun knew the real victory was not the medal. The real victory was every time he chose not to quit. Later, he returned to his village as an engineer.